This, Ashley. You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. Look at the net. Look at that net real quick.
Oh my gosh, no.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Do you see it?
I see it.
That's crazy, eh? There you guys go. On the Lego man.
Oh my gosh.
That's, yeah. There you guys go. That's how you guys catch a walleye with Lego. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, back on the short river. So I'm just making it down to the bank right now. My first goal, I'm gonna be trying to catch a fish on Lego. So I made myself a nice little custom jig. Nice Lego man jig, 1 ounce jig. And she's gonna bang the bottom for me. Let's hope we get a nice walleye. Just making it out on the bank. Beautiful, beautiful conditions right now. Water is super crystal clear. I have high hopes for today. And you know what I'm gonna be jigging with, right? Right there. Look at that. That is your Lego man. Made a little customized jig right there. I'm hoping that I can slay it on these. Don't know what the actual result is gonna happen, but you know, they almost hit on anything. You ever watch the movie Jaws? Here we go. It's like a little human, and then that big fish comes, you just whoop. Let's see if we can get some fish. Now, what's the craziest thing you guys tried fishing for? And what were you using? I think this is going to be the first of its kind, one of a kind right here. Hopefully it slays. I epoxied it right between the legs there. So, I don't know, maybe this backing might keep the fish off, but we'll know. We're going to see and find out. Let's take a couple casts. Oh, I lost his helmet. All right. Oh. You can do that, and that makes it easier. It's a guarantee. Yep. Oh my God! Wow! Yeah, wow! First cast with it. First cast. Jesus Christ. When this comes up, you're gonna look at this real quick. I want you to see this, Ashley. You're gonna cry. You're gonna cry. Look at the net. Look at that net real quick.
Oh my gosh, no.
Do you see it?
Yes.
Do you see it?
I see it.
That's crazy, eh? There you guys go. On the Lego man.
Oh my gosh.
That's, yeah. There you guys go. That's how you guys catch a walleye with Lego. Let's go. Man, what a beautiful fish there. You guys see that right there? Man, bright early morning, beautiful day. We're just getting out here and we're coming out to slay. So here we go. Hey? It's crazy right now. It's crazy right now. Like I said, you can't understand what's going on right now. You see that, Mark? You see that, Mark? Look at his mouth.
I know, it's fucked up.
That's crazy, eh? The Lego man. Thank you, Mark. Whew. Alright guys, there you go. Right on the Lego man jig. That thing just hammered it. Slayed it. Nice, fat, juicy, chunky female. But she's all spawned out. Not actually keeping today. It's gonna be catch and release. Do you guys ever think that they would actually just bite on something like that? Who would ever think you use kids' toys just to get anything that you want? Right there. Lego. Lego, let's go. Alright. Pull this jig out. Still looks kind of happy. So, pop this out. Come on out. Wow, that thing was in there. That was never getting away. Back into the water you go. Pray for like a muskie, a pike, a sturgeon, a rainbow trout, or a coho. There we go, another one on the day. Just looking for that specialty fish. Hoping it comes along. But right now I'm using that Lego jig. Still a specialty jig. Thank you, Ashley. Oh, she's a nice one too. Wow.
You still have that on?
Of course. I'm gonna use him until he dies. Wow. Right there. Another one. Lego man. Don't. Whoop. Whoop. No, I'm just kidding. Back in the water you go. I'll swim towards you. Sometimes you don't even feel the initial bite, it just inhales it. Sometimes you don't even feel the bite, it just inhales it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a sucker!
Ah.
Well, there you go,
That's
bro.
why it was in snag.
Different species. You should take a picture of that still. Do you have that species on your list?
Oh yeah.
Okay, never mind then. That's lame, bro. A sucker.
I knew something was wrong. I think what it was is it kept hitting off his fin.
Haha, sucker. There you go. Another fish. That's what smoked it. That's all right. Thank you, Ash.
No problem.
Just oh. Well, that's how you slay a lemon with a Lego man. This thing's got elastic in its mouth. Or something.
Plastic?
Yeah, right here, look at it. It's inside of its mouth. Oh, I pulled it out. That's crazy. That was like down his throat. I don't know if I should throw that back in the water. I saved you, walleye. You were eating rubber anyways. You probably thought it was a worm. That's crazy. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let this go. So you want to try the Lego?
I definitely want to try the Lego.
Okay, you can try the Lego. Alright guys, so as you can see, I slayed a bunch of fish right there on the Lego man. And then I'm gonna hand it over to my boy Pete, and he's gonna slay it with it. Here you go, bro. Enjoy, Lego man.
Thank you. There's no scent.
No, it doesn't even look like a fish or
That's what I
anything.
mean.
You know what I'm saying? It's just, it's like the movie Jaws. And that thing is just bouncing across the ground like a human, and a big old fish just eats it. That's what I thought of it. I was like, yes, social distancing. Just kidding. Come on, Pete, slay one.
A few moments later.
You're surrendering?
I surrender.
Alright.
He's too good with the Lego man.
Alright, thank you.
Not worthy.
Hey Mark, we're missing you down here. This is a postcard. Look at your man Scotty here. Slay it. Can you learn me? Oh, that's amazing. Oh! Did it get away?
Bounced right off.
Dun, dun, dun.
Right at the net.
Oh, there's always more, brother.
Lots more.
Oh, there you go, Aaron.
Oh, there you go, Eric.
Oh, there you go, Arnold.
Chris Addy. Gallagher? You have to ask your daddy for that. Oh, I just... Did you see it? Oh, it hit my bait. Yeah. I'm determined right now. Might have to be an all-day thing for tomorrow. Oh my God! Oh, it did happen! It happened, guys! Jesus Christ! It happened! This is on the Lego man.
Did not win and score the Lego.
This is on the Lego man.
What happens when I show up?
This is on the Lego man. Jesus Christ. Here you go, guys. Wow. Oh, don't get away.
Still remember how to net.
It's another.
There you go, guys. Check that out. It truly happened. Logo man. You know, I never thought that walleye would actually be a carnivore for humans, or what do you call that? Cannibal, right? But the cannibal is the person that eats itself? Okay, well, a walleye is a cannibal now. There you go. That is crazy. Like it worked. Man. Jesus Christ! That's crazy! So, did not think that would actually happen. But, with my customized
Is that your?
jig here, check that out. The Lego Man. Didn't think they would actually hit something like this, but that's actually pretty cool. It's a lot of fun if you want to change it up, you know. Got a little board with using finesses and plastics and stuff like that, but here we go. Let's use some toys. Let's see what you guys got out there. All right, everyone, gonna end my day there. That was fantastic. Whoever thought that they would actually bite on a Lego Man? I never thought so. I had to try something a little different, something a little unique, something a little fun. So when you guys get bored, you guys want to try something new. Give yourself a shot. You never know what you're gonna get. Anyways, if you guys like that, like, share, subscribe, put yourself to the test. Lego Man Walleye. There you guys go. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.